Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. You're probably wondering what you're looking at here. It's a stone, but where am I here? I'm in the middle of Central. Well, actually, it's more like Admiralty here in Hong Kong. I'm in the middle of town. Look at the beautiful views here in Hong Kong. An amazing spot. And an amazing spot right here for this unboxing and your first look right here of this phone right here, the Nova 3. Check this out. Are you guys shocked? Nova 3. That's right, guys. Look at that beautiful look at that rainbow effect. And I chose this spot because I don't think there's a more lit spot in the entire town than this spot right here. And this phone right here is the Nova 3. You're probably wondering, well, Frankie Tech, like, why did you get this phone? We weren't even asking for this phone. Well, guess what, guys? Like, I've been researching the latest Huawei phones for a while, the latest, Honor phones and everything. And when I saw this phone in person, I was just shocked. And I want to reveal it to you now. But let me first show you here what I have in terms of specs. I have the 6 GB of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, and this phone it's getting really hyped up here in Hong Kong right now, but I got it right here. I'm going to show it to you guys right here. Let's open this bad boy up, and there it is. It's your first look on Frankie Tech. Let's open this up of the Nova 3. Let's have a look. Look at that. Let's turn this bad boy on right here, shall we? Now, there's a reason why I was so impressed by this phone. So impressed. And it was for the reason on the back. So let me show you guys the back of this phone right here. And let's hope the lighting can give me some dibs here. Look at that. Look at that. OMG. What an amazing look. This phone has got to be the hottest phone I think that I've ever seen in my entire life. I think this beats the P20 Pro in terms of design. And when I pulled this, when I checked this phone out, and when I was at the vendor, I was like, my God, this looks even better than the P20 Pro. It's got this amazing satin finish. It is just absolutely gorgeous. And this phone, obviously, if you guys don't know already, this phone is rocking the same Kirin 970 as the Honor Play. So there you go. And the other interesting thing about this phone is that it's a Hong Kong version. So that means it includes all Google software already out of the box. So you see, I haven't really tested it yet, but I plan to test this very soon with all of my kind of with the classic Frankie testing that I'll be doing in terms of camera, of design, display, performance. But let's go a quick rundown here of these aspects of this phone. So first, design. Oh my gosh. Like, I wasn't even planning on buying this phone. I honestly, I got the Honor Play and I thought, okay, it's really uninspiring in terms of the design. And then I saw this and I said, well, man, I know this phone is a little bit more. It's kind of entering the OnePlus range, in the 400 range. I got this phone for around 3,800 Hong Kong dollars. But you know what? Look at that color there. It is amazing. And let's take off. Let's fully take off. Wow, there we go. We're unboxing this right here. But let's do that. Let's go ahead before we do anything with the phone. And I don't want it to kind of fall into the ground here, but stay. But let's unbox this phone real quick here, and let's see what's inside here. Typical standard Huawei accessories. You got the little connector there. You do have a TPU case included. There's some literature there. That's really good. And inside of the the Nova 3 here, you have the USB-C cable. You have and this is Hong Kong, guys, so there you go. This is the Hong Kong plug right there. This is your UK/Hong Kong in the box charger, and I'm so glad to see that because I keep having to get converters for the other phones I test. and included these fancy little ear pod lookalikes. Look at those things. Wow, look at those. Those are really nice. So overall, that's the unboxing. Pretty standard unboxing there, but I love that they've included headphones at this price point. Now let me remind you, this is at the 400 to 500 US dollar price point. But what do you get for that price point? Let me show you right here. Look at that. That is just spectacular. That is unbelievable. I honestly think this is probably the most beautiful phone in the world now. Like it has got to be the most beautiful phone. I'm a fan of blue. Blue is definitely like probably my second favorite color in the world. And my wifey, God bless her, her favorite other color is purple. And so, baby, if you're watching this, look at this. Like, this has your name written all over it. And this has obviously got this glass back right here. You can see there in the lighting. In this lighting, you can only see the accents, but look how the light hits that. It's just amazing. Now, talking about display, now this is, for you guys who were wondering, this is an LCD display, so it will be similar to the Honor Play here. So it's a bit higher price point, but what are you getting out of this? You're obviously getting the design, you're getting some amazing kind of features there, but I'm gonna have to test to see if this is any better than the Honor Play in terms of its display. It's got that full HD display, it's the same size pretty much as the P20 Pro, as the Honor Play, 6.3 I want to say inch display, pretty solid display overall. Now talking about performance, obviously Kirin 970 right here. This thing is going to be a screamer. And I noticed what Huawei does with their kind of flagship phones here. You notice about the display here, there is a built-in screen protector here. You can see it kind of there. You can see the edge there on this phone. Same as the Honor Note 10, but no Honor Play. The Honor Play did not have a built-in screen protector, but the Honor Note 10 did. And this is a Huawei branded phone, so I want to say it's kind of its mid-range before getting to Honor. So you have Huawei P20, the P series, you have the Mate series, you have the Nova series, and then you have the Honor kind of brand like below that. So I think that's the way it works here. But 970, Kirin 970, I think that just means the performance is going to be amazing on this phone. And now talking about audio, so this is going to be a real good news story here for all you guys who are interested. Let's kind of look around this phone here. See, there's a mic there. There's a SIM tray there. Power buttons there. Nothing unusual, but well, let's see if we see it. There it is. There is the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So they're pulling a OnePlus 6 right here, and this phone is actually being tasked to perform against the OnePlus 6. I think that's why it exists. It has a USB-C kind of charging port there, speaker, microphone, but the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack means this is going head to head with the OnePlus 6 right here. And I think honestly, in terms of just feel and just kind of design and sleekness, there's a reason why they have made this phone. This is the OnePlus 6 like alternative right here. And you know, I don't have the OnePlus 6. I had it previously, but you know, it'd be amazing to test those two out. We'll see what I can do for that in the future, but amazing. And finally about camera, into that quick camera test here. Let's gonna go ahead and take a photo. So we're gonna take a photo. Let's take a photo of stuff over there real quick. Let's see here if I can get a good photo here. So I took a photo. There's a clock tower up there. I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like there. There was someone walking down. So you see there, it's definitely kind of stylized. I wonder if the actual AI camera is on here, but let's take a photo of these kind of right here. Pretty close range shot there. You can see how that looks. Let's have a look here. So obviously this is in pretty low lighting, but you see there, that is almost photorealistic. This has got a great camera on it. I'm gonna have to do more testing on the camera on this phone, but you can see it kind of here in the back. It's got a dual camera series there. And it tells you right there, f1.8 and 1.8, man. That is given all the top phones a run for their money right there. That is incredible. And obviously there's the AI feature included as well. So let's see if I can do a quick other kind of video. Now you can see there, you can already tell there is no night mode, which is kind of surprising. I wonder if it's in the settings here. Let's have a look. There is a night mode there. So let's see if I can take a photo here and actually make it do night mode the way I want it to do. Wow, so it's taking a lot longer than the P20 Pro. It's a tough shot to take. There you see the results. The results aren't great, so I'm gonna have to test this out to see how it actually performs doing night mode in kind of the same scenarios as I did of the P20 Pro. But there's some small signs of brilliance there, so I'm gonna have to test this out further. But look how this looks on this screen, and you can tell here, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but that is a smaller bezel. And I know because I've used the P20 Pro, because the P20 Pro had a bunch of shit down here. Pardon my French. It had like a fingerprint scanner and all this stuff. This has a much more amazing screen to body ratio, and that's why I'm already liking this phone just from appearance right there already. So anyways, guys, that's a quick look at the Huawei Nova 3. I keep saying Honor. The Honor. There you go. You said it again. You idiot. The Huawei Nova 3, guys. Definitely look. Hit me up in the comments there. What kind of questions, what kind of comparisons you want to see with this phone? And I'm just gonna leave you because I think honestly, it is one of those rare cases where the back is so much nicer than the front. Look at that, unbelievable. And just hit me up with comments, like, subscribe, and if you love this content, definitely join my channel and keep following up on me, dudes, because I honestly, it's been a whirlwind, but I did not expect to get this phone. But look at the amazing effect of this phone in the lighting. It is incredible, and I'm sure in daylight it's going to be even more incredible. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned for that one. That's it for this video, guys. This is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.